A year ago, in July of 2024, I carried out an experiment. I bought 100,000 naira worth of shares in 5 of Nigeria's biggest banks, and now, 1 year later, I want to show you what those shares are worth and which ones performed well and which ones performed poorly. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Tito. I make what I call fun finance videos right here on YouTube and on Instagram. My handle is @funfinance_tito. If personal finance is your cup of tea, then you're in the right place. Please subscribe and follow for more. So in July of 2024, I made a video where I showed step by step how I invested 100,000 naira in 5 of Nigeria's biggest banks, aka the FUGAZ banks. I did this on the 4th of July 2024, and I started by buying First Holdco, which is the holding company for First Bank. I used 10,000 naira to buy 431 units of their shares at 23 naira per share. Now, as at the time of this recording, the share price of First Holdco is currently 32 naira and 80 kobo. That's a gain of 42.6%, meaning that my 10,000 naira worth of shares in First Holdco are now worth 14,136 naira and 80 kobo. Next, I bought UBA shares. 10,000 naira got me 431 shares, and the share price at the time was 23 naira per share. Now, as at the time of recording this video, UBA's share price is 48 naira and 5 kobo. That's a profit of 108.91% between last year and this year, meaning that my 10,000 naira worth of UBA shares a year ago is now worth 20,709 naira and 55 kobo. Next on my list is GTCO. Last year, 10,000 naira bought me 211 units of GTCO shares at 47 naira and 20 kobo per share. Today, as at the time of making this video, one GTCO share costs 97 naira and 70 kobo. That's a gain of 106.9% between last year and this year, meaning that my 10,000 naira worth of GTCO shares a year ago is now worth 20,614 naira and 70 kobo. Next is Access Corp, which is the holding company for Access Bank. Last year, 10,000 naira bought me 507 shares of Access Corp at 19 naira and 70 kobo per share. Today, as at the time of making this video, Access Corp is trading at around 27 naira and 60 kobo. That's a gain of 40.1% between last year and this year, meaning that my 10,000 naira worth of Access Corp shares a year ago is now worth 13,993 naira and 20 kobo. Finally, Zenith Bank. Last year, 10,000 naira bought me 277 shares of Zenith Bank at 36 naira per share. Today, as at the time of making this video, Zenith Bank is trading at 72 naira and 55 kobo per share. That's a 101.53% gain between last year and this year, meaning that my 10,000 naira worth of Zenith shares last year is now worth 20,096 naira and 34 kobo today. So there it is, the same amount of money spent buying shares in 5 of Nigeria's top 5 banks, and as you can see, some performed better than others. If I rearrange them from best performing to worst performing, you'll see that UBA leads the pack. My 10,000 naira investment more than doubled within the 1 year period by returning me a profit of around 109%, followed by GTCO, which also more than doubled, returning me a profit of around 107%. Now, the company that made me the least profit on the 10,000 naira that I invested in it over the 1 year period was Access Bank, which only returned 40%. Now, this came as a bit of a surprise to me because I would have thought that Access Bank would have been one of the top 3 performers in this group of 5 banks. In fact, if I were to only have put the entire 100k in just 2 banks, it would have been GTCO and Access Bank. By the way, I know that at the beginning of the video, I said that I spent 100,000 naira investing in 5 banks, but what you've been seeing so far is just 50,000 naira. That's because I spread the 100,000 naira investment across 2 different apps, spending 50,000 naira in each app. It will make more sense to you if you check out the actual FUGAZ video, link in the corner of the screen. But that's it, guys. That's how my FUGAZ shares have performed over the last 1 year. I wonder how they'll perform in the next 1 year to come. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and like it by clicking on the like button. Subscribe to this channel as well. My name is Tito. I make fun videos on investing, saving, and making money, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Take care.